Doom, 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 doom. Hey everybody, very good to see you. My name's Ollie Heath, if you've never met me before. I'm here to tell you about my Rhythm Masters Club. If you're listening to this, there's a very good chance I'm coming to your school, and I run a weekly club teaching drums. Yeah, teaching beatboxing, using machines like that. I'm very excited about introducing music into your lives because music is the best thing ever. La la la, yeah, And if you can learn it, if you can harness the power of rhythm, then you can learn any instrument from a piano to guitar to ukulele, whatever it might be, because rhythm is the heart of all instruments. In fact, rhythm is the heart of you. You're born with rhythm. So rhythm is something very instinctual, and if you think you're not musical, think again, because I'm going to teach you how musical you are. Take it out, yeah, feel the beat, feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme all the time, everywhere you go, yeah, get into the flow. You're going to get to learn drumming. This is amazing. This is what I fell in love with first. The djembe drum is a powerful, exciting drum which you can jam along with your friends very quickly with. Also, I'm going to teach you how to use one of these machines. This is called a loop station. Now, the loop station records your voice. You record your voice and create rhythms, and that's called beatboxing. Yeah. Woo! I love the rhythm, yeah. Check it out. Woo! I love the beat, yeah. Check it out. Beatboxing is so much fun, and then if that's not enough, you get to make music with absolutely anything and everything from bins to buckets. Love the beat, yeah. Come and join me. And then I teach you how to use all of those beats, all those rhythms, and transform them into electronic beats at home, because you can join my Rhythm Nation. So Ollie's Rhythm Nation is a YouTube show which you can come and join and follow my adventures in sound and get some inspiration for yourself when you make beats at home, because it is so much fun. It really truly is. Did you ever change yourself into an eagle? Every single term, every single year, we keep developing your skills so that you will become the most phenomenal rhythm maker in the planet. And when you're older, you can make music for a living or have the best hobby ever. So teachers will tell you now how to sign up, what to do, and hopefully I'll be seeing you very soon. And in the meantime, listen with care, and I promise you this, you'll find that music is everywhere.